Hey, just a quick video I want to show you guys. So I recently picked up this compensator for my Tokarev, my Romanian TTC, and I want to go and test out to see how it does. Picked it up on eBay for about 52 bucks, I believe, and it was free shipping. I'll actually leave a link down in the description if you guys are curious about it. But it's really easy to install, so I'll show you guys really quick. It just replaces the barrel bushing, and it's actually pretty tight. So first we're going to disassemble the gun. Take the old bushing out. And it takes a little bit to turn it. There we go. Now look at that. Looks sweet. So it's not fixed. It actually moves with the slide, as you can see. And these are supposed to work with the Zastava M57s and pretty much any Tokarev clone. So I think your Chinese ones you'll be okay, but you'll have to look and find out for yourself. So let's head to the range and test it out and compare the difference. Well, it definitely seems like it works. I'm a fan. Definitely can feel the difference too. I feel like you can get back on target pretty quick, especially with those hotter rounds, like Cellular and Blot, and even hand loads. Definitely seems to make a difference. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and feel free to hit that subscribe button.